Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be sharing the exact recipe to create high converting UGC ads that actually drive results. If you don't know me yet, my name is Chloe Sarkis. I'm the owner of Boost Ecom Ads, a creative agency that helps e-commerce brands reach 6 figures and beyond a month. Well, why should you trust me? I've worked with various brands in different niches, and my team and I always try to find the perfect creator for them, and we know firsthand what works and what doesn't. Stick around as I will show you the exact formula to boost your conversions and take your ads to the next level. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell on so you don't miss out. Now, let's dive right in. Step number 1, secret to success, research. I know you guys are excited, but before diving into creating your ad, you need to do your homework. You gotta research your target audience thoroughly. And I mean the ins, the outs, the pain points, the solutions, the needs, the desires, everything you can. You gotta understand that target audience like the back of your own hand. Once you understand the ins and the outs of your target audience, it's so much easier to convert them because you will talk directly to their pain points and show them that you have the perfect solution for that. The second step of research is actually researching your competition. Pay attention to the ads that have been live for many days and study their style. What's the first 3 seconds about? What's the hook? What's the visual hook? How is the tonality like? What's the pace? What kind of personality is showing this product? Once you have your research done, the next steps come easy. Because step number 2, the most important part of your ad, the hook. The hook, literally the heart of your ad, is responsible for 80% of the success of your ad. That means if you get the hook wrong, you got the whole thing wrong. This is where you gotta grab your audience's attention in the first few seconds. People nowadays on social media are on a scrolling marathon. They're scrolling very, very fast. Something catches their attention. They either watch it or they're already on to the next thing. And so those first 3 seconds are so important to catch their attention and make them watch the entire video. Otherwise, if you get that wrong, they're already on to the next thing. I have many videos coming out about how to create captivating hooks, so make sure to watch that next. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you've hooked the audience in, it's time to go deeper and agitate the problem. This step is all about emphasizing the pain points your audience faces. It's all about making them feel understood and making them feel they're not alone. Highlight the struggles, the frustrations, the unmet needs. Use relatable scenarios and images that will bring their challenges to life. So someone watching this will be like, whoa, that is exactly how I feel. That's exactly what I do. For example, if you're selling a skincare product, illustrate the daily struggles with skin issues, the low confidence that comes with it, and the frustration of trying countless solutions without any results. The goal here is to really resonate with your audience's feelings. Now, after this, you're not gonna leave them in this whole drama alone, are you? Right? This is not a soap opera where you're just showing the problems and there's no solutions and we're all gonna die. No, because step number 4 is going to be present the solution, which is your product. After addressing the pain points of your audience, confidently show your product as that hero product that solves all of their needs. If you put compelling visuals like a before and after, that tends to work extremely well. Step number 5, showcase the benefits. In this part of the ad, I want you guys to share the unique benefits of your brand. Why is it the best choice for your audience? Whether it's the quality, the ease of use, the exceptional results, make sure to highlight that loud and clear to your audience. Now, last step, step number 6, the call to action. If a user has already watched this far into your ad, that means they're interested. And a strong call to action, if you do this step right, that will just make sure to close the deal. You have to tell them what to do next loud and clear. It should be clear, concise, and motivating. Now, what makes a call to action strong and effective is urgency and scarcity. Now, with urgency, why should they act today and not tomorrow? Is there a special deal happening? Are they getting a free extra special gift if they order today? Is there free shipping involved? Make sure to mention that in your call to action. And the next one is scarcity. So, a very good example of this is Kylie Jenner. Every time her product gets sold out, guess what she does? She makes sure everyone knows it has been sold out. And of course, she says, thank you so much, can't believe it has been sold out again, and so on and so forth. But actually, it's a sales technique. because what that does is it will create a FOMO effect. The next time someone is about to buy this product, they know already in the back of their mind that this has been sold out like 5 times. And so if they don't act today, maybe it's not a promotion that they're missing out on, but it's actually the entire product. Maybe they'll have to wait another month to get a hold of this product. Now, how do you do this in your call to action? You can literally just mention it and say, this product has sold out 5 times in the past. Hurry up and get yours today. Trust me, if you follow these steps and you incorporate them into your next UGC creative, your ads will go bananas. If you don't want to do this by yourself, make sure to book a call with me and my team and we will help you out. As always, thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you all next week.